Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you my homemade butterfly knife. Here it is. It's cheap. I don't have a real blade on it. I use cardboard right now because I don't have any more steel. Yeah, I use steel. Bolts. I used a nut here. It's so weird. Look, I used a nut there. And then I use these square washers on these. I gotta cut these. And then I gotta use this like metal glue or something like that, or I might just weld it. So because if I flick it enough, my nut will come out and these will get loose and I can't tighten them. Okay. And it pisses me off. I don't know. So here it is. That was a fail. Yeah. Do a better angle. And it sticks. Because right there, there's this piece of metal. Then I had to tape it, and then it sticks. Not as... So it kind of pisses me off too. It's an okay knife, I guess. I'm going to paint it. I like it. I'm gonna paint it black. I think it's perfect. It's a good practice knife. I think it's a perfect practice knife. Screwed up there. And then just for starters. That's it. And then you... Yep, see, that's what happens. It sticks. So I gotta do something about that. I like it. It's a good knife. And I gotta do something right here because the knife can literally just come right out like that, as you can see. So I gotta like I might put another piece of steel or something right there. See the blade in there. It's a good knife. I use this to practice because here's the back and here's like the front where the blade would be, and the back where it'd just be flat. So with this, it would always be pointed down, so I can practice, so like it wouldn't like cut me, like so I get the hang of it. So if I use a real one, it wouldn't cut me. So like that. See, and then it'd still be there. And then when I want to close it, I just turn it back to the bottom. Like that. There we go. Hope you guys like it. I'm probably gonna paint it and do everything tomorrow. So I'll do an update then. Hope you guys liked it. See you guys later.